Hey everybody, it's Denise from Karma and Coconuts, and welcome to our very first Karma DIY video. We've had a lot of requests to do an acrylic pour slide. Unfortunately, we won't be able to do that in one of our classes because it takes maybe 5 minutes. So it's hard to turn that into an hour-and-a-half class. So here you go. We thought we'd show it to you for free so that you can do this at home. The canvas has been prepped with white apple barrel paint mixed with Flood Floetrol. Now we don't have any silicone or WD-40 in any of these, and you won't need it. So we're using metallic paints today in a squeeze bottle. The metallic paints have been used with a Flood Floetrol, and we're just going to go ahead and pour it down in a wave pattern. So we've got a beautiful dark blue. We have an aqua blue, put some more up there, and you do not need to be precise with this. And we've got a little bit of the silver for just a little bit of a contrast. So once you have your paint down, they're already going to start having little reactions in with the white. Now I like using a little bit of a wet baby wipe. So we got one here, and you're just going to gently lay it down and drag it around in a circle. Now it's okay if we have to do this a couple times. Just tilt it over, flip your wipe over, there you go. I like to start up at the top like that, and then we'll do another one down here at the bottom. So let me open this up, and we go ahead and just lay it down there and pull it up. There you go. And if I want a little more to go on this side, I can just take it from here and pull it down. And then back and forth. Love that. The next step is to take a little butane creme brulee torch, and you go ahead, lightly torch the surface, and that's going to give us the cells. And there you have it. That is an acrylic slide in 5 minutes or less. Have a great day.